Welcome. This video explains how to put your Tesla Model Y with the Juniper update into neutral. The Juniper update version 2024.44.3, released in late 2024, significantly changed the interface, including how you shift gears. We'll cover the new neutral shift guide step by step. Neutral mode disengages the motor from the wheels, essential for towing, car washes, or manually rolling the car. With the Juniper update, the primary way to engage neutral is through the touchscreen. First, ensure your car is completely stopped and the brake pedal is firmly pressed. Next, navigate to Vehicle Settings on the touchscreen. Then select Drive Modes. You should see a tow option listed there. Select the tow option, which will prepare the vehicle for towing. A confirmation prompt will appear, confirm to engage neutral. While the touchscreen is now preferred, you can also use the gear selector stalk as a secondary method. Make sure the vehicle is stationary and the brake is held. Gently push the gear selector stalk all the way up and hold it to initiate neutral. Please refer to the user manual to make sure this is correct for your specific software version, as this method has reduced visibility post-Juniper. Neutral mode is crucial in several situations. Primarily, it's needed for flatbed towing to prevent wheel lockup and integrates seamlessly with Tesla's tow mode. It's also useful for car washes where the vehicle needs to roll freely without electric assistance. Additionally, neutral can be helpful if you need to manually push the car without power assistance. Engaging neutral also minimizes battery drain during idle periods, as the motor idles without propulsion. Remember to always consult your Tesla manual for specific towing instructions. Safety is paramount when working with neutral mode in the Tesla Model Y. Always ensure the vehicle is completely stationary and the brake pedal is fully engaged before attempting to shift into neutral. This prevents any unintended movement. Never attempt to shift into neutral while the vehicle is driving. Doing so can lead to loss of control and potentially dangerous situations on the road. Be fully aware of your surroundings and ensure it's safe for the vehicle to roll freely without assistance before engaging neutral. This includes checking for obstacles or uneven terrain. If towing your Model Y, follow all recommended towing procedures from Tesla. This includes engaging tow mode, which unlocks the wheels and disables traction control for safe transport. Finally, make sure to check that your car is properly secured to whatever is towing it. Use appropriate hitches and safety chains to prevent any accidents during transport. Let's examine a real-world case study that demonstrates the advantages of Tesla's Juniper update. A Model Y owner posted on Reddit's r Tesla Model Y forum about using the touchscreen method to engage neutral mode after a minor accident. Through the center touchscreen, they navigated to the towing options and selected the flatbed transport mode. The intuitive interface guided them to engage neutral seamlessly. The owner highlighted that this touchscreen method was significantly faster than the older stock-based system, completing in just seconds compared to the previous version's more complex process. Crucially, they emphasized that tow mode must be activated first to properly prepare the vehicle for towing, ensuring the wheels unlock and traction control disengages for safe transport. This case study illustrates how the Juniper update's streamlined interface reduces complexity and improves user experience during stressful situations like vehicle recovery. If you encounter issues shifting into neutral, start with these basic safety checks. Ensure the vehicle is fully stopped and the brake pedal is firmly pressed before attempting to engage neutral mode. For touchscreen issues, double-check that you've navigated to the correct menu. Go to Vehicle Settings, then Drive Modes, then Tow. Each step must be selected precisely. For gear selector stalk issues, ensure you are pushing or pulling it fully and holding it in position until neutral engages. The stalk requires complete motion to register the command. If issues shifting into neutral persist after following these troubleshooting steps, contact Tesla service for professional assistance and diagnostics. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to integrate neutral shifting into full self-driving FSD supervised mode by 2027-2028, allowing autonomous engagement for scenarios like valet parking or emergency towing. Future updates, such as Kodiak planned for 2026, may incorporate AI-driven suggestions for auto-neutral in low-speed scenarios, enhancing vehicle autonomy and user convenience. Tesla's interface trends are potentially influencing EV industry standards, as competitors like Polestar and Rivian increasingly adopt touchscreen-based gear controls, reducing physical buttons and enabling rapid feature updates. This push for the digitization of car controls solidifies Tesla's position as a continued leader in innovative design, potentially boosting EV adoption by lowering barriers for non-tech-savvy users.